Animals everywhere. If you are on level 4 high frequency words, this book should be readable for you. When you are ready to practice on your own, turn the volume off. Glowing bugs fly by. At times, you can see a glow floating in the sky. This glow shines like the sun. The glow comes from fine bugs that fly. What do we know about this bug that glows? You may laugh, but these bugs make the glow from inside. That's not a lie. They like to fly in wet places, not dry. If those places were dried up, the bugs will find a new home. You can listen and you may find that a bug is close. Just wait and look. If one flew by, you can try to tiptoe and reach up. It could take 2 tries. If you caught it, keep in mind to let it go free. These fun pals are not like most bugs. When one flies by, do not run and hide. Look at this nice bug. Do you want to see it glow in the sky?